Yes guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. Basically we're gonna make some pumpkin soup. It's a pumpkin with some chicken feet and chicken neck. So I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. Here's the pumpkin. This is called turnip. Use one turnip. I'm gonna use half pumpkin. I'm gonna use 3 carrots, spring onion, otherwise called scallion. I'm gonna use these 3 Irish potatoes. You're gonna need a green pepper, and also need, this is called a chocha, and we're gonna have a Maggi soup it up chicken noodle, and I have a Maggi cock soup mixed with pumpkin also, and here we got probably a handful of garlic. Gonna use thyme as well, and ginger. So first what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna get the chicken feet to start cook. I'm gonna put the chicken feet first and then let it start cook. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna kind of season it. So yes guys, this is the season I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a little onion powder and garlic, a little bit of garlic powder, just to give it a little flavor. And you know, my regular traditional ginger, pimento, garlic. Not much, just dusting a little bit. And that's it. I'll rub that in. Alright, so here we have the water over here, almost ready to boil up. After it start boiling, I'm gonna just put the chicken feet only, to let the chicken feet cook first, because you know already the chicken neck cook much faster. So I'm gonna just cook this first, and then like 10 minutes into cooking this, I'm gonna just put in the chicken neck. Guys, now what I'm gonna do is, see, I got my crushed garlic, I crushed the ginger, crushed the scallion. What I'm gonna do, I'm just throw it in the pot before I put the chicken feet in. And I'm also gonna add some pimento seed. Good flavors, guys. So I'm adding the chicken feet. Let the chicken feet cook. And about 10 minutes after, I'm gonna put the chicken neck in as well, because the chicken neck cook very quickly. Then I'm gonna cut all these things up and get it ready in the meanwhile. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna add the pumpkin, because what you want to do, you want the pumpkin to cook right out, because the main base of the soup is the pumpkin. So it's, you know, it's pumpkin, chicken foot with chicken neck. So what I'm doing, I've had the pumpkin, you want the pumpkin to cook right out to get that nice yellow color. So I'm had the pumpkin right now, let it cook with the chicken feet as well. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the chicken neck into the soup now. I'm gonna apply the chicken neck. Yep. Look at that color. See the pumpkin working already? Yep. That nice yellow pretty color. I'm put the chicken neck in. Afterwards, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put all here, I cut up all the season right here. My carrot, my turnip, my chocho, my Irish potato. Yeah, they all cut up right here. So I'm gonna throw that in probably after another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna make some dumplings, because it's not a soup without some spinners. After 10 minutes, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let everything cook out, because that's the way I make soup. So I'm gonna put all stuff that I cut up, put it in the soup. Look at that, guys, coming together. See that? Yep. We're gonna let that cook. So guys, anytime the chicken foot is cooked, you know, you can start adding the rest of the ingredients. See? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the dumplings, guys. So this is the flour I'm using, just to let you see the brand. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna make a lot of flour. You can make whatever amount you want to make. Yeah, not making much about that. That's it. And then, guys, all you're gonna need is just to add some salt Here we have some salt here. That's the salt I'm using. Sea salt is a preferable better, right? And I'm gonna use a cup of water to make the dough. You know how to make the dough, guys. It's pretty much easy and simple. That's it. Here's a perfect dough right there. So we're gonna put it later on. So here we have the soup boiling, looking very lovely. So you can see chicken feet is already cooked, looking lovely. See that yellowness? That's all the pumpkin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the dumplings. So I'm gonna make my dumplings like a spinners. So you guys, you can make your dumpling whichever way you want to make it. I'm gonna roll it. In Jamaica we call it spinners. So I'm gonna put the dumpling in, and after that I'm gonna show you the after touch and how to season it up to bring the taste. Also make some of my dumplings like this. So make some like this, make some spinners. This is called the spinners. Alright, now guys, see everything is cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season the pot. So first, green pepper and spring onion, scallion. Then here's the thyme, add the thyme as well. And you have some garlic powder. I'm gonna just add a little, and a little more of the onion powder. Just add some taste to it, guys. This is the big thing. We're gonna add the Maggi, soup it up, chicken noodle mix. All these things, guys, to add flavor to it. So I'm gonna add about 2 or 3. It all depends on the size pot you're cooking, guys. And then you got to taste to add taste, okay? Then here's, this is the cock soup mix. So I'm gonna add that one as well too. And you can use the grace pack and mix the grace with the Maggi. And that's it, guys. And then you stir. And then let it cook for another. After you had this, guys, you can let it cook for another 10 minutes and then you turn it off. And that's it. And then you taste to see if it wants salt, but do not add any salt because these things already have salt in it. Do not add any salt, okay? Because this have salt in it already. If you feel like it need a little more salt, you add a little more of this, okay? To add more taste. But that's it, guys. All done right here. I'm gonna show you the finish product after this. Guys, look at the soup. All done, looking delicious. Yes, guys. Nice bowl of soup, chicken foot and chicken neck with pumpkin soup. Yes, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Looking lovely.